Alright guys, we are just a couple miles from the Quick Lube place, and I'm going to try to see if I could get some footage of them actually pulling the sample. I'm going to talk to the owner and see if he's cool with that. And if he is, you'll get to see them pull the sample. I think it'll just add some cool dynamics to this video. Anyway, regardless, we're gonna get our oil change. We're gonna get some good synthetic oil in the truck. And it's also advertised that it's supposed to improve your fuel efficiency. So I did a full tank of gas prior to this in eco mode. I'm gonna do another full tank of gas in eco mode and see, does this synthetic oil actually save you at the pump? So I'm going to include that video shortly, but we're gonna pull up here in a minute and get the new oil in, and you guys will come along with me. All right guys, I'm back. I have the sample, and I have the sample kit from Blackstone Laboratories. What you get in the kit, you get a pre-labeled container that you can drop in the mail. It's already ready to go, as well as tracking. You can track it. You get your sample container, as well as an oil pad to put around it, so if it leaks, it doesn't get too far. You get a reminder sticker to document it when you did your oil change, remind you to do the next one. And of course, you get your information card where you fill out all the information. A couple things that they suggest that I thought were great suggestions, and this is for you guys as well. Don't drink the oil. It's tempting, but trust us, you'll never get the taste out of your mouth. So rule number one, don't drink the oil. Don't send blood. Keep your vampire ways to yourself. So, some great tips from Blackstone Laboratories. And I'm gonna pour up the sample for you, and we're gonna get it in the mail tomorrow. And we're gonna get the results as soon as they get them, and we'll be good to go. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is the time to go ahead and fill out your payment. You can send a check. There's a place on here for you to send credit card information. I'm just gonna send a check. It's $30 for the test, and it'll be good to go. Now, obviously, I got more sample than I need, but this was the sample from my oil change today. And I'm gonna give it a little agitation, because I'm not gonna need but a fraction of this. And then I'm gonna pour some up in this bottle and try not to make a big mess all over the place. If I make a big mess, you won't see it because I'll edit it out. Or not, I may not. I want you guys to think I am human after all. That smells yummy. All right, so this is 3,500 miles right here from the factory. Another reason I decided to reuse a glass container, I drove to the quick lube, so it's gonna be hot, and I wanna make sure that I got enough sample to send. So I repurposed a jar that I had that food came in, and it gave me more than enough samples. So we're gonna put this in the shipping container and send it on its way. The way you do this is you're gonna wrap the sample with the absorbent pad, okay? And they supply a bag to put that in. You're gonna put that in the bag, zip it up. You wanna, make sure the air's out of it, of course. Zip it up. You're gonna put that in your pre-labeled container. The only other thing that's gonna go with this is gonna be your information document with your payment. So that is it for this episode, guys. I hope you guys tune in for the results. I'm super excited about this. This is like a science project, or I don't know. It's just cool. And this is what the company's logo looks like. Blackstone Laboratories. But I'm gonna fill out that information and keep it inside my truck. So yes, stay tuned. We're gonna have the results. I'm gonna open them in front of you guys, and well, we'll see. Get out of here, cat. Sorry. We're gonna open them in front of you guys and let you guys see the results as we see the results. So with that, we will see you next time. Stay tuned for more. Peace out.